This smooth, satisfying speed ramp that makes every edit look expensive? Most people think you need After Effects or Pro software to do this. You don't. CapCut has 3 different ways to create velocity edits, and I'm about to show you all 3, from complete beginner to advanced techniques that'll make your videos look like they cost $500 to edit. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which method to use and when. Let's get into it. First, let's kill the confusion. Velocity editing is just controlled speed changes within a clip. That's it. But here's why it matters. Watch these 2 versions of the same basketball dunk.
Shot. High Point's got the rebound and the outlet to Johnston. And his first 2-pointer of the year gives High Point the lead.
Standard edit. Fine, but forgettable.
Put your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Same clip, velocity applied. Your brain literally can't look away. That's the power of speed control. Velocity makes boring footage dramatic. It syncs action to music beats. It controls where viewers focus. And CapCut gives you 3 ways to do it, from stupid easy to full control. We're going from easiest to hardest. Method 1 is for speed. You need a velocity edit done in 30 seconds. Here's how. Steps: select your clip. Tap the speed button at the bottom, not normal, the actual speed option. You'll see a bunch of preset curves pop up. These are pre-built velocity curves. CapCut already did the math. Let's try Hero first. This is your go-to for action shots. See that? Starts normal speed, ramps up in the middle, then eases back down at the end. Perfect for dramatic reveals or action moments. Bullet, super aggressive, great for transitions between scenes. Montage, smooth acceleration, perfect for travel clips or B-roll sequences. Flash, quick burst of speed, then back to normal. Use this for beat hits in music. The Pro move. Here's what beginners miss. See this curve graph? You can tap it and fine-tune the intensity. Slide this down for subtle, slide up for aggressive. Same preset, completely different feel.
Shot. His first 2-pointer of the year gives High Point the lead.
That's method 1. Presets. Fast, effective, looks good, but you're limited to what CapCut gives you. Let's level up. Method 2 is where you unlock full control. This is the technique pros use. It takes 2 minutes longer, but the results are insane. Setting up custom velocity. Select your clip, hit speed, but this time tap curve at the bottom. Now tap custom on the right side. This is your empty canvas. That flat line means constant speed, no velocity change. We're about to change that. Understanding the graph. Quick crash course. Horizontal axis equals time through your clip. Vertical axis equals speed multiplier. Middle line is 1x normal speed. Above equals faster. Below equals slower. Got it? Let's build a curve. Creating your first custom curve. I want this dunk to start normal speed. Slow down at the peak of the jump so you see the hang time, then speed up through the landing. Watch how we build this. Tap anywhere on the line to add a control point. I'm adding one here at the start of the jump. Drag it down to slow down the action. See how the curve bends? That smooth curve is the acceleration between normal and slow. The smoother the curve, the smoother your velocity change. Now add another point after the peak and drag it up above the line. This speeds the landing back up. Boom! Look at that. Custom velocity curve. Slow motion hang time, then explosive landing. You just created something 90% of editors can't do.
Johnston. And his first 2-pointer of the year gives High Point.
Beat syncing with custom curves. Here's where this gets powerful. Let me show you beat syncing. Turn on your audio waveform. See those spikes? Those are your beat hits. Now I'm going to add velocity points that line up exactly with the beats. Speed ramp on beat 1, slow on beat 2, speed on beat 3. Watch this. Your video just became hypnotic. Every speed change hits exactly on the beat. This is how viral edits are made.
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, method 3. This is brand new in CapCut 2026 and honestly, it's kind of scary how good it is. select your clip, hit speed, then look for auto velocity at the bottom. Tap it. CapCut's AI will analyze your clip, detect the action moments, and automatically apply velocity curves. It takes about 5 seconds. And done. It auto-detected the jump, slowed the peak, and ramped the landing. I didn't do anything.
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Is it as good as custom? Honestly, for 90% of clips, yeah, it's shockingly accurate. The only time you need manual is when you have very specific creative vision or you're syncing to music beats. But for quick social content or when you're in a rush, auto velocity is a cheat code. Which one should you use? Depends on your goal. Need speed? Presets. Need perfection? Custom. Need ease? Auto. There's no wrong answer. They're all tools in your toolkit. Now go add some velocity to your edits. I'll see you in the next one.
And make sure you double check these two cool effects.